United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Michelle Bachelet, said in a speech in Geneva this week that the drug policies in place in the Philippines and its lack of respect for rule of law and international standards should not be considered a model by any country in the world.
You know, the problem with that statement coming from that UN official is that he relies on what she relies on what she receives information coming from the critics and the detractors of the administration. And we've been saying that this information is wrong. Like, for instance, when she claims that there were 27,000 deaths, ang official count is only 5,000.
Does the palace see these statements from the UN High Commissioner as a foreign meddling or some intervention?
Naman sinasabi natin na mas marunong pa sila dito sa bansa how to deal with our problem. Yun ang naging posisyon natin ever since.